Hi friends, welcome to this video where I introduce and review Rosemary Company brushes from series 279 in sizes 2, 4, 5, and 6. These are high quality flat brushes with natural long hair, specifically designed for oil painting. I'll be testing them out on my artwork, demonstrating their performance, and sharing my thoughts on how they handle paint. Rosemary Company is well known for its handcrafted brushes, and the series 279 flat brushes stand out because of their natural long hair bristles. This type of bristle gives them great flexibility, excellent paint holding capacity, and a smooth, controlled application. Unlike shorter flats, these longer bristles allow for more fluid, sweeping strokes, making them ideal for both blending and layering. The handle is well balanced, providing comfort during extended painting sessions. Each size offers a different level of precision and coverage. The smaller sizes are perfect for fine lines and detail work, while the larger sizes help create broad, expressive strokes. Now let's put these brushes to the test on my artwork. As I apply paint with each brush, you'll notice how smoothly they lay down color. Thanks to the natural long hair, these brushes pick up and release paint beautifully, allowing for soft transitions and seamless blending. The flat shape makes it easy to create sharp edges, smooth gradients, and bold, confident strokes. Whether I am working with thin layers or thicker applications, these brushes handle the paint consistently and precisely. The long bristles give a bit of a spring and movement, which adds a nice responsiveness to brushwork. After using these brushes, I'm really impressed by their versatility and quality. The combination of natural hair, long bristles, and flat shape makes them a great choice for artists looking for a smooth and controlled expressive strokes. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, these brushes are a valuable addition to your painting toolkit. If you have used Rosemary Series 279 brushes before, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you are looking for more brush reviews and painting demonstrations, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy painting!